Today we have this suctioning magnetic phone holder and charger. So it's right here on the dash. It suctions really well. We've had this up here for over a year and it's never fallen. Here you can see that it is magnetic. It does hold the phones well. I'm recording my phone so I can't show you with my phone exactly. And once it's on, it turns. You can change the way you have it, and it does charge the phone. And here you can see it hooks in right there, but we've got it going down underneath and wired in. But I think this is great quality. You can take it off and fold it flat. I'm not going to do that because my husband would kill me if I moved it. So, but it's suction. Like I said, it's been there for over a year. It's working great. And another thing about this is that this doesn't droop over time. He's got it locked into the position he likes it, and it stays. So if you're looking for a suction phone holder that's going to charge at the same time, I highly recommend this one.